Boys, in first video we saw up to Western Ghats. Now we are going to see from Eastern Ghats. Unlike Western Ghats, Eastern Ghats is a discontinuous and irregular one. I already told no, Western Ghats is a continuous range of mountains, Eastern Ghats is a discontinuous range of mountains. So mountains are scattered here and there. That is only the meaning of this. It is dissected at many places by the rivers which drain into the Bay of Bengal. Its highest ranges from 1100 to 1600 meters. These hills separate the plains from plateaus. So, what is the main job of this hill? Separate the plains from the plateaus. Javad, Shervarayan, Kalrayan, Kollimalai, Pachaimalai are the major hills of the Western Ghats, Eastern Ghats. Javad Hills. Javad Hills are an extension of the Eastern Ghats spread across parts of Vellore and Tiruvannamalai districts. Javad Hills is located in Tiruvannamalai and Vellore district. Many peaks with the height of 1100 to 1150 meters are located in this range. Melpattu is the highest peak. Many parts of this range are covered with bluish grey granites. So, granites, bluish grey color granites are located in this Javad Hills. It is noted for its fruit bearing trees. So many trees are there. All trees are fruit bearing trees. Medicinal herbs are there. Many sandalwoods are there. Okay. Due to illegal logging, sandalwood trees are disappeared now. So some woodcutters come and cut the trees, no? So that woodcutters cut this sandalwood trees. So these sandalwood trees are disappeared now. No sandalwood trees now in Javad Hills. Okay. Kalvarayan Hills. The name Kalvarayan comes from the word Karalar, the ancient name of the present tribes. One of the tribal people name is Karalar. So remembrance of their name, the Kalvarayan Hills are named. Okay. It is another major range of hills in the Eastern Ghats of Tamil Nadu. This range along with the Pachaimalai, Aravalimalai, Javad, Shervarayan separates the river basins of Kaveri and Palar. The height of hill ranges from 600 to 1220. Shervarayan Hills. Shervarayan Hills. It is the mountain range located near the Salem city with the height ranging from 1200 to 1620 meters. Then from a local deity Shervarayan. The highest peak in the southern part of Eastern Ghats is located in this range. The highest peak is located in this mountain range. The peak is Solekaradu and its height is, what is the name of that peak? Highest peak Solekaradu. What is the height of that peak? 1620 meters. The hill station Yerkad, which is known as Poor Man's Ooty. So, which is called Poor Man's Ooty? Yes, Yerkad is located on this range. Shervarayan temple is its highest point. Kolli Hills. It is a small mountain range located in Namakkal district. So, Namakkal district has which mountain? Kolli Hills. It covers an area of about 2800 square kilometer. It rises up to, what is the height of these mountains? 1300 meters. This is a mountain range that runs almost parallel to the east coast of South India. Arpalishwarar temple located on this range is an important pilgrim center. This is one of the pilgrimage center. Arpalishwarar temple. It has the largest cover of evergreen or Shola forest when compared to other parts of the Eastern Ghats. Several coffee plantation, fruit, flowers and silver oak estates are found in this region. Pachaimalai. It is the lowest hill range, spreads over the districts of Peramballur, Tiruchirappalli and Salem. Pachaimalai is located in Peramballur and Tiruchirappalli. In Tamil language, Pachai means green. What is the meaning of Pachai? Green. The vegetation in this range is greener than the vegetative cover of the other hills in this region. Hence, it is named as Pachaimalai. Jackfruit is a popular seasonal agricultural product of these hills. What is the popular seasonal agricultural product? Yes, jackfruit. Plateaus. Plateaus of Tamil Nadu are located between Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats. It is roughly triangular in shape. So, what is the shape of plateaus in Tamil Nadu? Triangular. Covers an area of about how many kilometer? 60,000 square kilometer. Brahmamal Plateau is a part of Mysore Plateau situated in the northwestern part of Tamil Nadu. Its height ranges from 350 to 710 meters. Dharmaburi and Krishnagiri districts are located in this region. Coimbatore Plateau lies between Nilgiris and Dharmaburi districts. Where is the location of Coimbatore Plateau? Between Nilgiri and Dharmaburi district. Its height varies from 150 to 450 meters. This region includes Salem, Coimbatore and Erode districts. This region includes Salem, Coimbatore and Erode districts. Moyar River separates this plateau from Mysore Plateau. Rivers like Bhavani, Noyal and Amaravati, which originate from Western Ghats, from valleys in this region. Many intermontane plateaus are found in this region of this Nilgiris. Sigur Plateau is one such plateau. So, what is the intermontane plateau? In between some other plateaus are there. No, there is only called intermontane plateau. That type of intermontane plateau is Sigur Plateau. Madurai Plateau, found in Madurai district, extends up to the foothills of Western Ghats. Vaigai and Tamirabarani basins are located in this zone. Plains. The plains of Tamil Nadu may be divided into two: inland plains, coastal plains. Inland plains are drained by the rivers Palar, Ponnayar, Kaveri and Tamirabarani. Kaveri plains is one of the most important fertile plains in the state. So, which is the one of the most fertile plain? Kaveri plain. The plains of Kaveri is found in Salem, Erode, Karur, Tiruchirappalli, Pudukkottai, Thanjavur, Thiruvarur and Nagapattinam. Coastal plains of Tamil Nadu are also called Coromandel and Cholamandalam plain, which extends from Chennai to Kanyakumari. So, what is another name for Coromandel coast? Yes, Cholamandalam. It is formed by the rivers that flow towards east drain in the Bay of Bengal. It is more than 80 kilometers wide at some places. So, what is the width of this plateau? 80 kilometers wide. Though it is an emerged coast, some parts are submerged into the sea. The sand dunes formed along the coast of Ramanathapuram and Thoothukudi districts are called Theri. Boys, this is a very important 2-mark question. Please note this. What is Theri? Theri is nothing but the sand dunes formed along the coast of Ramanathapuram and Thoothukudi. Coastline of Ramanathapuram and Thoothukudi districts, some sand dunes are there. That is only called Theri. Coral rocks are found at the head of Gulf of Mannar in the east coastal plain. Beaches. The Coromandel coast along the Bay of Bengal consists of many beautiful and exotic beaches. The golden sands of Tamil Nadu beaches are scattered with palm and casuarians groves. Marina and Iliad beaches of Chennai, Kovalam beach in Kanchipuram and Silver beach in Kadalur are some of the famous beaches in Tamil Nadu. Boys, now I am going to show this casuarian tree. Okay. Boys, see here, this is the casuarian tree. Okay. Thank you.